Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with very simple stitch. This is worked with FPDC and BPDC, and this is named as single rib stitch. Okay, and it looks the same on both the sides, and it creates a very thick fabric. At the same time, very nice flexible one too. See, and it is great stitch for ribbing. For making this sample, I use my 5.5 mm Clover Amor hook and bright red Hobby Store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, which is medium weight 4 and its color code is 2041. So to make this pattern, we require to chain even number of stitches or chains. Okay, I shall make the even number of chains and get back to you. So I changed 12, and then the first row is a DC row. So yarn over and work a DC in the fourth chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 3 chains will be counted as first DC, and place 1 double crochet in each chain across. So I shall make the double crochets in each chain across and get back to you. So I have 10 double crochets here. I took 12 chains. I ended up with 10 double crochets. You can chain 3 and turn, or make a turn and make a standing double crochet in the very first stitch. This is a 1 row repeat pattern. Okay, and then in the second stitch you make 1 front post double crochet. In the next, a back post double crochet. In the next, a front post double crochet, back post. So this is the pattern stitch repeat in the row. FPDC, BPDC, FPDC, BPDC. We will end up with BPDC in last but one stitch, because we have taken even number of stitches, so we will have same number of FPDCs and BPDCs. Now in the last turning chain, place 1 double crochet. That is the third chain of the turning chain, because in the first row we took the turning chain. Okay, again turn your work, DC on the first DC, FPDC, BPDC, FPDC, so the pattern is 1 row repeat pattern. Row after row, you're going to start with front post double crochet and end up with back post double crochet. So logically, you're working the posts on the right side, how it looks. So the last stitch is always a DC. First and last are DCs. So this is how the pattern develops. It's reversible. So I shall make 1 more row and get back to you. I made 1 more row. So this is how it develops. This is my sample swatch here. See, to hold itself, it's so nice. This will work great for your coasters and hot pads. And if you work with cotton, they will work great for your hot pads, and especially the thicker yarns of cotton will get you very good fabric for hot pads. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like the stitch. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every day. Have a great day friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.